Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Victor Didier, and you can also find me online at liquid_data. If you're here, you're catching me at a really exciting time in my life. After over 10 years of working in bars and hospitality, I've decided to switch things up in a big way. I'm diving headfirst into the world of data analytics, and I'm inviting you to come along for this ride. My mission is simple. I'm going from zero to becoming a data analyst in just 6 months. Will it be enough time? And while I figure it out, I'll be sharing my entire journey with you. Think of this channel as your roadmap to making a similar career change, or just getting inspired to learn something new. I'll break down the process into manageable steps, share the tools and resources I'm using, and maybe even sprinkle a few mistakes along the way. Because let's be real, it's all part of the learning process. So let me be honest, using this channel might cause serious motivation. And, dare I say, a lot of fun too. Well, I couldn't start this new chapter without giving some huge shout-outs. First, to my incredible family, my girlfriend Maureen, and my friends. Thanks for cheering me on. To the community of creators who have shared motivational content, and that's been a game changer for me. Bruce Fonseca, Comunidade 10, Adam Feiner, Alex the Analyst, Stefanovic, Luke Barus, amazing content, and Agatha. Thank you. And of course, to my previous colleagues from the hospitality world, you'll always have a place in my heart. Cheers to all of you for shaping who I am today. Here's to a new beginning. If you're curious about data analytics, making a career change, or just love seeing someone start fresh, hit that subscribe button and join me on this wild ride. Let's learn, grow, and definitely laugh a little along the way. I'm Victor Didier, and I can't wait to share this journey with you. Cheers, and don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. I'll see you in the next videos.